Now, how the hell did this happen?
No! It's on that roof! Get in the car! Get in the car!
Oh, yeah, that's right. That's right. So we're going to put this thing back together. See if we can't glue it and get it on the mend. Let's take a look. Should probably unwedge this battery from way in there. That was easier than I thought. But I can't imagine how all the stuff got unplugged. I mean, the rudder's still plugged in, but it's because the rudder is basically the wheel on the front. So I don't know. It's great. I start filming, sirens going off. Oh well. So what we're gonna do here, in my months of experience of extensive experience in gluing planes back together, I call this, well, that's not even an open thing of glue. So I buy my glue in bulk. Can't imagine why buying more would make sense, but you know, this is how I do it. Let me shake this to get that glue flowing. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what we want to see. So we're gonna use the what I've dubbed as the hinge type repair, and we're gonna get all that foam with glue, even this little piece right here. Don't worry about these little strings right there. The next time you crash, those will pretty much disappear. And you call this the hinge because what we're gonna do is plop this piece right down here, even with that, and we're gonna hinge it upward. I do need 2 hands for this, so set you down a spell. Hinges, they work for doors, they work for model planes. So you might think that that angle of attack there is wrong, and I would be inclined to agree with you. So let's fix that. So maybe I can't. Maybe I can film it at the same time here. I don't know how well you can see, but that's how good of a view you're getting. So we're gonna close this back together like a hinge, so that glue can get a nice bite. Whoop, there goes the camera. Nope, you can't see nothing, can you? You might have to watch one of those good RC plane YouTubers that show you how to fix things. I'm more like your dad of RC plane YouTubers. I'm just gonna let you find out on your own. See if we can't get you back in here. All right. Oh no. So you gotta get those, whoa. You gotta get those gaps closed. So the hinge pops it right in there. You do gotta level it out though. See how that's not quite igualmente right there? Looks fairly well lined up. Is it perfect? No. Is it okay? Not really. Is it gonna work for me? Sure is. Look at those clean lines right there. Thing's gonna sail right through the air, right onto somebody else's roof. We'll see. We'll see. All right, that's about it for this guy. I'm probably gonna tape it and then paint it so you can't see the tape, but at least it'll be glued at those joints so it has a chance of hanging on there. So I think this is gonna be a hand launch only model because as you can see, my landing gear is nowhere to be found. I'll have to take that guy off of there, but hopefully I can get a few more flights out of this guy. At least I'll have a few spare servos. But yeah, I think we'll be okay. Check out the next one. I got some other stuff coming. Trying to edit together now. See you next time. Thanks.